In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting effortlessly using a meeting link. The process is quick and straightforward, so whether you're a seasoned Microsoft Teams user or you're just starting out, you'll find that joining your meetings is a breeze. Let's get started. First, find your way to Microsoft Teams. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and simply typing in Microsoft Teams into the search bar. Hit enter and you'll be directed to the landing page where you can access all your team chats, meetings, and more. Make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account. If you're not, there will be an option to sign in using your credentials. Once you've successfully signed in, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, you need to paste the meeting link. This is the link you would have received in an invitation, usually sent to your email. Simply copy that link from the invitation, return to the Microsoft Teams interface, and look for the Join Now or similar button. Now paste your meeting link into the designated search bar or area. This is crucial as it will guide Microsoft Teams in directing you to the right meeting. Ensure there are no unwanted spaces or characters that might have crept in when you copied the link, as this could lead to an error. Once pasted, you'll see an option to join the meeting. Click this Join Now button. Now, depending on the settings of the meeting, you might be placed in a virtual lobby until the organizer lets you in, or you might enter directly into the meeting room. Before entering, you're often given the chance to configure your audio and video settings. If you're using a webcam, you can choose whether to have it turned on or off before joining, and the same goes for your microphone. I would recommend checking these settings beforehand to ensure you're ready. It's always good to make sure your audio is clear and your video is angled properly to give a professional presentation. Once you've worked through these settings and clicked Join Now, you've officially entered the Microsoft Teams meeting. And just like that, you're done. You can now participate actively, listen in on discussions, and even share your screen if necessary. Remember that Teams offers a variety of tools to enhance your meeting experience, including file sharing, note-taking, and the ability to chat with other participants during the meeting. And there you have it, the entire process from start to finish of joining a Microsoft Teams meeting using a meeting link. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you now feel more comfortable navigating your way around Microsoft Teams. Happy meeting!